Now, why are some bookmakers sharper than others? And that basically comes down to liquidity and where the sharp money goes. There are a couple of very large betting syndicates in this world. A couple of famous ones are Tony Blue, the owner of Brighton Football Club. His syndicate is called Star Lizard. If you Google it, there's a big article about that on Business Insider. That's a really good read. And he employs hundreds of analysts who analyze thousands of games, coming up with their own models. And what they then do is that they look at the odds or the prices that are offered in the market, and they look for deviations from their own models. And if they find something that they believe to be undervalued, they will place a bet on that outcome. So where do these guys place the bets? Well, they can't place it on the soft books of this world because the limits there are just way too low. They would not be able to get high enough turnover, and as a result of that, they would not be able to get enough profit either. So they have to go to the sharper markets because, first off, the sharper bookmakers don't limit winning players. Also, they offer way higher betting limits, so that's how they attract sharp traders and the syndicates. So when the sharp traders notice that an asset is underpriced, they place a bet on it, and because the odds at the sharp bookmakers are purely market driven, if the bet comes in on one side, the odds will drop on that outcome, and then it will go up on the other side. Eventually, then someone else might say that now the other team is the one that's underpriced, so they'll place a bet here, and then the odds on the home team goes up again. And eventually, the market will reach an equilibrium where everyone's happy about the price. At that point, you could say that the market is efficient, similar to how it is in the stock market.